Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how I did Shoto Todoroki makeup look from My Hero Academia. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First, I'm gonna put on my wig cap. So that my hair is not in the way, out of my face. This is my Shoto Todoroki wig. I'm gonna put it on because I need it as a guide to figure out where to put the scar. Take my glasses off. First thing I'm going to use is this foundation. It is the Revlon Color Stay Makeup Foundation in the shade Ivory. Using this sponge, I'm going to apply the foundation all over my face like this. Do it all the way around. Once the foundation is applied on, the next thing I'm going to do is take this concealer. It is the Fit Me concealer. And I'm going to apply it on my face like this, and then using the sponge, I'm going to blend it in on my face. Next thing I'm going to use is this foundation powder. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation powder in the shade Porcelain. And then I'm going to apply it all over my face to seal the makeup. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bronzer. It is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. It's this like light brown color, and using a blush brush, I'm going to apply it on the sides of my face to give a more roundish face, like this. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyelid primer. It's the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer, and I'm going to apply it on my upper eyelids, both of them, like this. Alright, so Shoto Todoroki has a scar on the red side of his hair. So I'm going to do the scar first, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to use this face makeup palette. It's the Spirit palette. And I'm going to use this red color right here, and using a smudger brush, I'm going to apply it on my face. So it's only one side, because he has it only on one side. And this is how you do his scar. Now I'm going to do the other side of my face, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. It's the Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this very light flesh tone color, and I'm going to apply it on my other eyelid on the white hair side, like this. Now I'm going to use this eyeliner. It is the Tattoo Studio ink pen by Maybelline, and I'm going to put it on both my eyelids. So the top and bottom like this. Same thing on the other side, like this. And then I'm going to use this mascara. It is the Max Volume Flash Waterproof Mascara in the color black. And I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower lashes. Like this. Next, I'm going to use the concealer from earlier, and I'm going to cover whatever I don't want seen. In case you're wondering, it's the Fit Me concealer, and I believe this is Ivory that I'm using. Like this. Then I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. It is the Ellie Girl Wonder and Lust eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use these two colors. So for the red side of the hair, I'm going to use this red color. And then for the white hair side, I'm going to use this white shade. And then using this this angled eyeliner brush, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on my eyebrows. Alright, I'm going to start with the red side, and I'm going to apply it on my eyebrow. I'm going to apply this white shade on the other side. Of my other eyebrow. And to set my makeup, I'm going to use this setting spray. It's the Ellie Girl setting spray. And I'm going to spray this all over my face to seal the makeup. Fix my hair. Tell you it's the wig. Like this. Now I'm going to change into my costume and I'll be right back. And that's how you do Shoto Todoroki's makeup look from My Hero Academia. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.